My name is Samiruddin, and today I and my dear friend Akbar, both of us are going to speak about very fascinating and dazzling topic that is our country's economy. As you all know, my dear friends, that in the Corona period, most of the people had to leave their employment, had to leave the schools, as well as had to lose their soul, because in the Corona period that is a pandemic disease which is very fatal disease, and fatal morbidness that can emulate and develop every person with an easy way. Therefore, we both are presenting here for making flux and reflux on very fascinating and engrossing topic, for knowledging and for notifying this thing that which kind of strategies and which kind of ideas to be assumed by the government after passing the Corona period, that our country's economy, our country's education system, and everything which has been spoiled in the lockdown time in the Corona period will be improved. So first question which is going to be put forward, Mr. Akbar, is about our education system. As you know about the education system, that education system has been spoiled and totally injured, and most of the students had to leave the schools. Either they didn't have any kind of money to get study, or they didn't have any kind of mobile phone to get study, because as you know that in the Corona period most of the schools were closed, and still every school is closed. Like you can take a look of the private school and government school, every school is closed. So in the Corona period, most of the students had to suffer this problem. So I want to ask a question, that after passing this Corona time, which kind of strategies should be assumed our government for improving our education system, that every kind of student may get education and be educated person and literate person and fulfill and materialize his dream after passing this time which is being faced by us, and most of the people are facing this kind of problem this time. So please tell me answer about this matter.
So in the first place, I would like to say thank you for asking my question, for asking question to me. And you know about the schools. Schools have been annulled by the government's order. We should not blame for applying the lockdown. Lockdown must be applied, because if the lockdown would not be applied, so definitely you will be patient of the coronavirus, like the patient who are suffering, who are having to face suffering in the hospitals. As you can see, in the every hospitals have totally free from the coronavirus. So therefore, lockdown has been applied initially by the government. So if the lockdown would not be applied, so definitely you will be patient. If you are asking question which kind of a strategy should be made and which kind of a strategy would be made in future after passing the coronavirus time, so that strategy should be different like before. Because if the every side would be sanitized, so definitely we can stop the coronavirus and we will annihilate the coronavirus. If you want to annihilate the coronavirus, we need to sanitize each and everything, where we sit, where we stay, and where we go for purchasing something or the other, for spending our life. So you know about the schools. Schools have been annulled. Why have the schools have been annulled? You know about the children. Children are more soft than elders. Therefore, they can be affected from the coronavirus soon and rushed by the than the youngers. Therefore, schools have been annulled. Not only schools, but also each and every education systems have been annulled totally for stopping the coronavirus. So my recommendation is that, and my consultant is that, for applying the lockdown in that time when the school would be open. So that time people should follow the distance, and people should sanitize their hand again and again and frequently. And we need to save our body frequently by applying the mask. Definitely our education system will come back on that position, at that position we were at that time. And you know about the education. How is our education? Education is being given over every plebeian man and every plebeian student who are staying in their home by the mobile phone. If that people don't have mobile phone, if that people don't have mobile phone and doesn't have mobile phone, that can read from the books. And if the school would be open in the future time, so that student should be taught from the starting time, and that student should be taught from the starting class. So it is my opinion about the education.
So whatever I wanted to ask about the education system, I think I have got. But next question which is going to be put forward you is about the employment. As you all know that employment is a very big study, is a big very issue, is very big issue, as well as it has come forward every person, and in the lockdown time, as you know that this is also a lockdown time, and most of the people have no employment, they are unemployed person. So which kind of strategies to be assumed by the government that our country's people will get the employment, will earn the bread and butter by doing work in the office, in the factories, and they will not have to they will not have to bend over and there, over here and there, and to and fro by earning bread and butter, and they will not have to commit suicide for not having the bread and butter, for not having the living. So I want to ask this question that what kind of strategies and what categories of ideas should be assumed by the government that our country's people will be safe and sound, and every kind of facility as well as every kind of assignment will be provided them for getting bread and butter. Please tell me.
So I would like to tell you about employment. So you know about the every people have been given the things by the factories, not only factories but also big factories which have been opened and which are being opened in India. Not only India but also around the India's areas. So you know about the coronavirus. Coronavirus is the one pandemic by which people are being affected, and it has been proven by the natural science, it has been proven by the human science. If the lockdown would be opened for doing the work, so definitely people will be affected from this thing. And as well as according to me, if the people want to do work for earning the bread and butter, so there are many sources are available for doing work online, way, like YouTube and mutual funds. Both our works are good for earning bread and butter, for earning good source. If the people don't have mobile phones, so how will they earn money? So many kind of works are here which is being given by the people, by the many policies which has been made by the Prime Minister Modi. So you know about the PMKV. PMKV Yojana has been applied by the Narendra Modi. Therefore, many jobs are being given to every rank and file who are able to do work. And in that time, people are dying. Why are they dying? Because now time people are not taking vital grain of salt. They are eager to sit tranquil, to sit lethargic by being slack. So we need to drop those people who are not doing work. So works are very quantity. We need to grab that one work which we want.
Okay, so it is your own apology and it's your own ideology and version about this special and this particular point which I wanted to ask. Now my third question is about the GDP. You are aware about the GDP, that GDP is growing, the GDP is decreasing day by day, as you are aware from this matter, and you are cognizant from this matter as well, that our GDP is getting V-shape, as well as it is also being imagined by the people that it is certain that if this matter will continue in our country, so definitely our GDP will be destroyed and vanished totally. So I want to ask that which kind of concern would like to give the government for improving and for taking it back, that our country's GDP will grow and problem will not be faced by GDP, that GDP is decreasing day by day, you are aware. So I want to ask that which kind of strategies should be assumed by the government for bringing it back and bringing it to its real site, to real place.
So if you are asking from the GDP, so first I will have to tell you the GDP. GDP stands for gross domestic products. Why are we going down in the gross domestic products limits? Because we have depended on the machineries and we have come far from the nature. If we come far from the nature, so definitely we will not we will forget the each and every artisan, each and every accomplishment by which we earn money. We earned money in the past time. We earned money by selling our crops, by selling our handicrafts, which were made in past time. So definitely we will have to go back in past time. How did we made? How that sculptures and that handicrafts were made in past time. So definitely we don't need to be affected, and we don't need to be support, and we don't have to take support from the machineries, because nowadays machineries are being used for increasing the gross domestic products limits, not only India but also worldwide. This strategy is not being acknowledged by the Indian people, but also this strategy is being utilized by the another countries, because we have depended on the machineries, because we have come far from the handicrafts and natural things. When we will depend on the nature, when we will depend on the natural things, so definitely we will increase our gross domestic products than machine, and we will increase our gross domestic products limits betterly than before. Then coronavirus time. Why we have gone down in gross domestic limits? Because in the past time we were the first country who produced the large number of gross domestic products around the cosmos. Because when we connected from the nature, when we connected from the nature, when we connected from the handicraft thing, when we connected from our nature and as well as customs, now we have forgot all things, and all things have been forgotten. And that time, for increasing the gross domestic products, we will have to be habitualized. We will have to make our habitualized for making the natural things, and we will have to connect from the nature for increasing gross domestic product. We don't need to support. We don't need to take support from the machineries. By doing so, many kind of works would be done by the rank and file, and many jobs would be given by the nature, because this accomplishment would be given to every people by the nature. We need to increase the nature as well as this kind of strategy should be applied in India.
So I have become over the moon by listening your answers, because such kind of answers which have been given by you, I think neither of the person was able to give answer in such a way which has been assumed by you. Now I want to say to all of the people who are listening and who are watching our video, that the time which is being faced by all of the people is very hard time and difficult time, and most of the people are getting scared from this time, because this is not largely archaic problem. It is new problem, and it is not largely archaic coronavirus. It is a new coronavirus which is most danger than the before coronavirus, because it is emulating to the people. It is fatal morbidness and swinging which is entering in our body, and which is stopping ourselves to take a breath. Therefore, I would like to suggest to all of the people to be safe and to stay at the home, and to put on the mask on the face, so that every person will remain safe and sound in the world. So gratitude to all of you for listening our speech, and thank you very much.